The front door opens, literally the whole class. When the teacher catches me copying homework and says he expected more from me, you're the smartest guy I ever met, and you're too stupid to see. I've been copying homework for years. Average PE teacher. Average school janitor. When you open a packet of gum. When the teacher is talking about the 3 states of matter and none of the smart kids has mentioned plasma yet, it's quiet to quiet. The teacher that knows you're using ChatGPT to cheat, but can't prove it.